Good afternoon, class 12 students. Say yango ngahan tawgibadu separation and isolation of DNA fragments ko sigi matang sidai sei ta semak pa angang sing khara yawi moi khara ko khara ani ma huma ma mari ma sumaina ko atai di semakte moi dumaina loiba hairabra natraga gyan dadrabra natraga kramaina oidi to haibado ai ga dumaina pau to dumaina leite khara di lei dagi next tanga si tawgadaba sina ngahan tawgibadu separation and isolation of DNA fragments sidai sei sta sigi ja sangba tenba sumaina MCQ ihang dang ba yaba dumaina tenoni ko ada sigi sidai sei sta se kari marang gino separation tawriba isolation tawriba DNA fragments sing se haina dumaina hangba yaba question ne ba adu batargadi से क्लोनिंग वेक्टर है तारे को अदुई दो पुथोंग नबा हाइदी हुजिकी DNA हेलिकल स्ट्रक्चर हाइरको मतम सिदै सैस्ता हुजिकी हाइरिबा सिगिसी सेमदुओगा हापचनग्रगरी कम्बिनेंट DNA ओइग्र मतुंगदा अमुखना हाइगी तारगदी मयाम पुथोकरे मल्टीपल कॉपीज मयाम पुथोकरे मल्टीपल कॉपीज पुथोकपसे करी कौगे क्लोनिंग कौइको दुना अदु पुथोंगनबनी देन ngasi तौगदबना दैट इज पेज नंबर 198 क्लोनिंग वेक्टर क्लोनिंग वेक्टर है कहीं क्लोनिंग वेक्टर सिदे पुथोकपैसिम दी खंग्रे को दुंगासी तौदुजि क्लोनिंग वेक्टर हाइबनि को से यंगो nghan plasmid काइना तौगिबा दगिदि bacteriophage ability to replicate within bacterial cells independent of the control of chromosome and DNA देदा सिदे से जा plasmid आइना महाई गिबदु करी हाई गिबनो nghan गिदो extra circular DNA हाइबको दुगा कदोबो ऑटोनोमस से ऑटोमेटिकली ऑटोनोमसली रेप्लिकेट हाइदि मसागी यावजरिबदो अदुई दुगा ऑर्गेनिज्म टू द यावरिबदुगा मरी लैनदबा अदुना ई कोलाई गुंबा बैक्टीरिया गुंबा से असमाइना यामना नैनबदे सिजिनै को मोइददि एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोम एंड सर्कुलर DNA एंड प्लाज्मिड से दुमाइना लैबगी अवना सिगी सिदै जैता तौगदोरिसि करिनो हाइबा मतमदा say bacteriophages because of their high number per cell have very high copy numbers of their genome within the bacterial cells aba aduba targadi sidai sai masing de yamna puthorang na ba akoigi kaidoba vector mayam do cloning vector sing do maina tarokadori ne ba aduna vectors say used at present are engineered in such a way that they help easy linking of foreign DNA and the selection of recombinants from non-recombinants. Non-recombinants oiba dagi recombinants punsan ba amana non-recombinants selection tawbudo aduga kedoba foreign DNA duga link up lainahan ba aduga puthoraka doini ko and then the following oiba masi makha da piriba sigi cloning facilitate cloning into a vector cloning chain to vector sigi se yeng tare ko origin of replication anam laigani ori selectable marker cloning site karam pa site gino khoina cloning taunaba loguduri se kaina ga haiba gumba ko degi vectors for cloning genes in plants and animals hairi ba sigi mari se sigi si cloning vector dugine nakanda yekpa ma piri kari gino sidai je piri se E. coli gini E. coli gi kari cloning vector do adugi showing restriction sites restriction sites kamaina pire haiba matamda hint 3 eco ri dagi BAM1 SL1 PBU2 PST1 CLA1 ori and antibiotic resistance genes rock cause for the proteins involved in the replication of the plasmid AMP harga mathakta R tapi ba TETR tapi do thangi ko mathak to the tapsala ido adagi sidai si kari haino ori and antibiotic resistance gene thangi ko resistance rock cause for the proteins involved in the replication of the plasmid silere ada sidai sai the origin of replication jengo origin of replication sidai sai laidori si ori se replication sigi haurok phamdo this is a sequence from where replication starts replication haurok phamdo replication se sum hairga lakadori ni DNA double helical structure gi du dai du lakpasna magi amuk lepaga atopa amuk smai tok du ni non stop ta hairga laigun dori ni adu gi haurok phamdo du replication origin of replication ngahan jawgre ko From where replication starts and any piece of DNA when linked to this sequence can be made to replicate within the host cells. Host cell ama lairani hariba host cell sidai saida akoina the piece of DNA se when linked to this sequence ohalaga replicate within the host cell du delen godoini aduidi anoba puthokre dana haidi lairami badudai du da mafam du da yengaga ama hapsalaga adudai replication do amuk origin of replication du dagi start akoina replicate to bahogi taragadi kaidore puthokre dana anobodo. This sequence is also responsible for controlling the copy of the linked DNA. So if one wants to recover many copies of the target DNA, it should be cloned in the vector whose origin support high copy number. Target DNA akoina pami ba target oriba DNA do adugi copy si adumaina puthok ningi bado masidai sei sa akoina hajiki high origin of replication du dagi hapaga adumaina high raga chatlaga number of multiple copies puthoki bai wani ko origin of replication, that is ORI. And then the selectable marker adu tawgodori ba sidai sei ja karom site ai ji selection tawdoino haiba masangane ba, that is selectable marker sidai sai da ORI laire. The vector requires a selectable marker ama mukdarkar laire ORI sidagi selectable marker ama mukdarkar laire karigi helps in identify tawba and eliminate tawba non transformant singje identify tawba or natraga eliminate tawba non transformant and selectively permeable the growth of the transformants. Kaigino da akoina pami bado adu katang chatkina ba akoina pam da basing do adugi dudi eliminate tawgina ba adumaina darkar oiba matam sidai seisa selectable marker je darkar la eba. Transformation number 1 mark tam hangan bani is a procedure through which a piece of DNA is introduced in a host bacterium. Host bacterium do the piece of DNA is introduced tawre high riba sibu akoina kari kauge haiba matamda sida piece of DNA is introduced in the host bacterium. Study the process in subsequent section haba haidi pami ba poto adu khatang adumaina akoina sidai jaida puthokna ba piece of DNA introduced to host bacterium do that is transformation kaweba. The genes encoding genesina akoina code tawriba akoigi se moina code tawba haidana jaga amamam laigani moina masak khangna moigi code tawba mafam laigani adubu coding genes kawi. Resistance to antibiotics such as ampicillin ko normally the genes encoding resistance to antibiotics akoigi antibiotic encode tawba antibiotic encode tawba gene singdo resistance to antibiotic encode tawba gene singdo ampicillin ka hariba dagidi chloramphenicol ka hariba tetracycline ka hariba kan adagi kanamycin ka hariba si singche antibiotic ngaktane ba ado hariba si the genes encoding resistance to antibiotics haba genes to encode tawba antibiotic resistance encode tawba adu karam such as ampicillin etc considered usefully selectable markers for E. coli. E. coli the si selectable marker oina consider taweba. Normal E. coli cells kaidoge haiba matamda do not carry resistance against any of these antibiotics. Normal E. coli cell dadi resistance oiroi thingbangam de ba kanada akoigi any of these antibiotics sing jemona thingbangam de ba but khara lairidana encode tawba gene singdo aduiduna di ngamme haiba ko. Cloning site la karom site no cloning tawdoise origin of replication first point and the selectable marker is the second point. The transformation laire ko transformation is the procedure through which a piece of DNA is introduced in a host bacterium. Cloning site laire ko cloning site kamaina lairani in order to link the LNDO the vector needs to have very few preferably single recognition sites for a commonly used restriction enzymes. Commonly used restriction enzymes recognition sidai seista site sidai seista laire adu bataragadi sidai seista akona LNDNA adagidi the vector needs a very few vector ka se darkar lekani LNDNA ma darkar lekani karino haba matam the cloning site today the puchalaga hapsalaka daurim neba ko atopa ma puchala hapsalaka dauri neba LNDNA. Presence of more than one recognition sites within the vector will generate several fragments which will complicate the gene cloning. आइदी अखोइना रिकग्नाइजेशन साइज से अखोइना खंदोगा थमीबसे अमदगी हेना लैता तारगदी याम लै तारगदी वेक्टर सिदै जैजा रिकग्नाइजेशन साइज विदिन अ वेक्टर अमै मनुंगसिदा याम लै तारगदी फ्रेगमेंट मयाम थोकलेबा अदुइ तारगदी जिन क्लोनिंग तौबदुदा कॉम्प्लिकेट तो ओइबम थोक्त्रो मयाम तो थोकलक तारगदी अखोइदा कंफ्यूजन लेरखम थोक्त्रो अदुदी द ligation of the LNDNA is carried out in the restriction sites carried out ligation tawriba LNDNA se carried out at the restriction site present in one of the two antibiotic resistance gene adu abatargadi ngasagi ligate oriba LNDNA do mase carried out of thokiba karai dagi restriction site tu dagi karombada present in one of the two antibiotic oriba resistance gene do adu dagi puthokiba tayaba maramdi अमा खतंग अदुमाइना थम्मगा मफम खंगना अदुमाइना पुथोरंगनबनी ngasida haigriba several fragments la adi complicate oire I haigini ko example oina pirabada you can ligate a foreign DNA at the BAM1 site of tetracycline resistance gene in the vector sida pireba khangi ko the recombinant plasmids will lose tetracycline resistance due to insertion of foreign DNA, but can still be selected out for the non-recombinant ones by plating the transformation of ampicillin containing medium. Aduni ngasai haribado ama khatang hapaga tawgadabadu da mayam do yaksala abanina moi sidaija kaidaure harakanda amasu amata kaino oidre from the non-convenient oiba convenient ones dagi aduna transformation do on ampicillin containing medium duda the transformants growing on ampicillin containing medium are then transferred ore medium containing tetracycline job duda transfer ore recombinant oribadu recombinant then means the punjalabado adugi du kaidore ampicillin containing medium duda laire not that the containing tetracycline duda di laitreba ngasagi complication tholakpa duni ko but non-recombinants will grow on the medium containing both the antibiotics. Aduga non-recombinant to the both the antibiotics to the medium do the content orga laireba. Adu the sigi case na harsi one antibiotic resistance gene helps in selecting the transformants where the other antibiotic resistance gene gets inactivated due to insertion of the LNDNA and helps in the selection of recombinants and habako. Aduna ngasai hap duda akoina moi duda chamam na ba thoki bado LNDNA lakpa dudagi moi je kai daure ha kanda na akoina inactivate oire eba adu batargadi yengo kamaina selection of recombinants due to inactivation of antibiotics recombinant select obasidai saista kamaina due to antibiotic to inactivation obasi smaina lae adu batargadi is a cumbersome procedure because it requires simultaneous plating on two plates having different antibiotics. Adu bataragadi sab manaba matamda plate anida antibiotic medium se adumana darkar lae aduna alternative selectable marker se adumana develop torok pa darkar oi maramdi differentiate recombinants from non-recombinants on the basis of their ability to produce color in the presence of the chromogenic substrate habako haidi magi tongan khangdoknaba akoise semakpa darkar oire habako sidai the chromogenic substance in this recombinant DNA is inserted within the coding sequence of an enzyme B galactosidase sidai says the recombinant DNA is insert tore karai the coding sequence to da ngasai non coding mayam amalagi the coding lagi sidi coding to the insert of dorini side the kari enzyme season B beta galactosidase and then this results into inactivation of the enzyme which is referred to as insertion inactivation akoigi activation tawraga lairambadu inactivate tawraga lehangibasu darkar oi maramdi kaigino the pull up activate tawraga de akoina pami du phangroi akoigi apamba du phangnaba activate inactive ohanbasu darkar oiba the presence of a chromogenic substrate gives blue colored colonies pire if the plasmid in the bacteria does not have an insert oitre. Presence of insert results into insertion inactivation of the beta galactosidase and the colonies do not produce any color. Aduga sigistana amuk insertion inactivation oiriba beta galactosidase sigista di kaidoge haba matam the sigi colonies da do not produce any color. ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ identified as recombinant colonies ꯗꯣ ꯀꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯀꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕ identify ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ recombinant colony ꯗꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12 ꯁꯤꯐꯧ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯁꯤꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯣ